Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath888.
FamilyMath888. So we did a neural network project yesterday, playing with what was it called? Teacher machine.
Yeah, teacher machine.
That was pretty neat. And this is one we played with before. Do you recognize this?
Yeah, I think I do.
Okay. So what this does is it shows a different way to understand machine learning problems. So we have these dots over here, and some of them are blue and some of them are orange.
Okay.
And what machine learning does is it tries to, the main problem in machine learning is trying to predict whether a dot is blue or orange, like this. It's trying to, it's called the classification problem. So we're trying to classify, in this case, blue dots or orange dots. What were we trying to classify yesterday?
We're like the digits from 0 to 9.
Yeah, if somebody wrote down a number.
Yeah, it would try to predict what it was.
Yeah, well, or try to understand what it was.
Yeah.
And it would say, hey, here's what I think this is. Sorry, we have our cat walking on the table next to the camera here. Off you go. So, the way it does it is it takes some inputs and, some outputs. So here we have some, what they call neurons on the inside, and has some hidden layers, 2 hidden layers, and it tries to classify. So why don't we just do a simple approach here, and why don't you run this and see what it does. Do you think, by the way, before you press run, do you think this is a hard problem if our dots look like this, like arranged in a circle? Do you think this is a hard one to split them out?
Well, yeah, I think it will be, because like just looking at these the features that we have, we only have like a vertical line, a horizontal line, and then the neurons kind of blend them.
Okay.
There's no really circular.
Okay, so well, hold on one second. How about if I asked you this question? If I gave you a new dot now, and let's say, let's get a knitting needle here, without running the program, and I gave you a new dot, and that dot was right there, what would you guess it would be?
Probably blue, because there's a lot of, all the orange dots seem to be on the outside, all the blue dots are clustered in the middle.
Okay, what if there was a dot over here? What would you think it was?
Probably orange.
Okay, and can you point to a place where it might be hard to tell?
Sort of like, there's like a ring of, where there's no dots, so like probably here, right in the middle, it'd be kind of hard to tell which color.
So let's run our simple neural network now and see what happens. See, can it tell? So it creates a situation sort of like this. That's interesting. So do you think this is a good way of looking at this data? Do you think it's sort of successfully solved the problem?
No, I don't know. It's do something weird.
Huh?
Well, now it's trying. Before it had all these kind of like an arc here, but all these orange dots we classified as blue. But now it's trying to sort of like eliminate that, I think, by like doing this.
So what do you think our problem is here?
Well, no matter what we're doing here, it's going to have like, there's going to be some orange dots that are in the blue area.
Oh yeah. But how do you think we can make this better? How do you think we can make our model get a little bit better, or maybe get this right rather than struggling?
If we maybe add more neurons or add some features.
All right. Why don't you do whatever you think is best?
So let's see.
But only do one thing.
Okay. I'm gonna add another neuron here.
Okay. Let's see what happens now.
There we go. We've got all of the blue dots in the center, and then we've got all the orange dots around it.
Okay. Nice. So do you think now we have, with these 3 neurons in the first layer and 2 neurons in the second layer, do you think we've got a good understanding of what's going on here?
Yeah. It's only like the losses are really small here.
So yeah, the losses are just sort of where it gets new data wrong.
Okay.
But yeah.
Yeah.
So this worked out pretty well. All right, so let's try a new problem, okay? For
All right.
the next part.